Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making singhade ka upma, or you can say water chestnut upma. You can eat this upma during fasting. So if you are fasting, try this recipe. Very simple recipe. Let's have the ingredient. Water chestnut flour, curry leaf, chopped green chili, coriander leaf, clarified butter, rock salt, cumin seed, sugar, curd and tomato. We also need some water. So in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, let them crackle. Now add 8 to 10 curry leaf, add 1 teaspoon of chopped green chili. Now add 2 chopped tomato, cook till tomato is soft. Add rock salt or senda namak. Mix it well. Now add 100 grams of water chestnut flour. Mix it well. Add 2 teaspoon of curd. Mix it again. Now add water. Stir continuously. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir continuously for 5 minutes. If you want, after 2 minutes you can cover it and leave it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover it. Mix it well. Cook till you find the consistency of upma. Garnish it with coriander leaf. And your singhade ka upma is ready. Thank you.